Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be doing what's in my bag video and I hope you enjoy the video. The bag I'll be showing you today is my current work bag from CO. This bag is pretty sizable and I can bring lots of things to work. I bought this bag actually at the sample sale and it was a great deal. First thing that I had in my bag is my wallet. And for that, I use a card holder from Chloe. I really like this because it is able to hold my old credit card and IDs. I don't usually bring cash anymore, and I really like the color of the wallet, and also I prefer small size wallet. Next thing is my phone. I currently have iPhone 12 mini. I also bring my sunglasses from Oliver Peoples. And this is the model Finley Vintage. In California, the sunshine is pretty strong, so I need sunglasses every time I work or drive. So I usually bring it with me. This is a hair clip from Alexandra de Palace. This is my must-have when I work, especially when I want to focus on something I need to keep my hair up. I used to use cheap hair clips, but it was so easy to break, so I decided to purchase something decent from Alexandra de Palace, and so far I really like this one. This is also my must-have, Earpods. I need them for the meetings or listen to music and podcasts. I use Yuri's AirPod case and this is so beautiful and I love her artwork. I also need to bring the traditional wired earphone just in case AirPods battery runs out. Sanitizer is something you need to bring when you go to the office. I bring wipes, gel sanitizers, and spray sanitizers. This Aesop one smells amazing. It smells really good. I need something really tiny so that I can carry around. Next one is my makeup pouch. I put lots of my necessity in the small pouch. So the first one is my lip balm. This is from Aquaphor. I used to use Moaripu when I was in Japan. And this is as good as Moaripu actually, and my favorite so far. This is also lip base from MAC. I used this before applying lipstick. This is really nice base and the color stays longer on my lip. And for the lipstick today, I have one from Chanel, number 40 Light Rose, and YSL Water Stain 609. This Chanel one stays on all day and it's not easy to come off. And this is a hand cream from Welda and setting spray from MAC. And this one is a face powder from Etuse. I have also bring my backup contact lens at Bell's and Band-Aid, and I have perfume from Diptyque, and today I have Dawson scent, and lastly stain remover. I'm a warrior, so I carry lots of stuff with me in case something happens. And next one is Aroma Oil. These are the roll-on type and easily apply to my temple of my forehead and neck. I really like this peppermint halo so much. Very refreshing and awakening scent. I also bring my Kindle and find the time to read a book every day. is actually 10 years old, but I don't have any problem using it. And lastly, my laptop. This is my work laptop and I'm using Mac Air and it works perfectly. And that it is. This is my recent What's in My Work Bag. Thank you for watching until the end of the video, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe and like the video if you do, and I will see you soon. Thanks again. Bye.